In this video, I'll show you how to install new Apple's Final Cut camera app on your iPhone, in your iPad or supported device. Just follow these easy steps. First of all, on your iPhone, open App Store and in this search box you have to type here Final Cut camera and just search for it, and this is the actual app we are looking for. And as you can see, this apps comes from Apple, so this is the official Final Cut camera. All you have to need to install this app, and if I scroll down a little bit, here we can see the app size is only 68.5 megabyte, and you can tap on this compatibility drop down, and here you will find iOS requirements to use this app. Okay, once the Final Cut app installed in your iPhone, just launch the app, and if you're first time here, tap on continue. And now you have to enable permissions for camera access and microphone access. So tap on continue, tap on allow, and now you will be able to easily use the Final Cut app in your iPhone. As you can see, to capture a video you have to tap on this record button, and as you can see, the video started to record, and to stop recording, tap on the stop button, and that's how you will be able to record multiple video footages. And now to edit and save them, just tap on this icon, and here you will find your timeline with all of your recorded videos. Now you can edit your video from here, and to save the video in your photo, just tap on the share icon and tap on save video, and the video will be saved in your iPhone Photos app. As you can see the video, and go to the Final Cut app again, and here you can change your camera settings by tapping on this gear icon. Here you can change video format, so go ahead and customize your video format from here. And this is how we can actually install new Apple Final Cut camera app and use it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.